Hi, my name is Abhishek Naithani and I've done BTech from Graphic University, Dehradun in mechanical engineering. Currently, I'm working with JBM as a CAD designer. From the very beginning of my career, I was looking for passion in profession. Through good decent search, I came to know that design is the only field that can fulfill my appetite. Now, I was looking for an institution who can walk me through the concepts and perceptions of mechanical design. There I found CAD Center Dehradun. CAD Center Dehradun, with its trained professional, taught me softwares, and I learned software after software because I wanted to be a master of my craft. At the end of my courses, I was loaded with skills, ability and knowledge, prepared at its best, ready to enter the market. But I didn't know where to start. I didn't know the process of landing a job. I didn't have the help and support of a placement cell that have contacts deep within the automotive industry. There I found CAD Center Rudapur. CAD Center Rudapur not only provided me with good quality interviews, but also prepared me for the same by providing me the right environment. From here, I got two of the most iconic interviews of my career, that is the Wendering Company and JBM. There were some delays in the Wendering Company, so I joined JBM. Right now, I'm working with JBM, learning the basics of sheet metal, understanding the roles and responsibilities of a CAD designer in a mechanical environment. I still remember the days when I was waiting to get a call from the Wendering Company, and as I said, there were some delays, so it was about 2 months and I was not getting a call, so I was almost about to break out of frustration. But all of a sudden I get a call from here that there is a placement drive going on where JBM is visiting. Would you be interested? And that was my call to act. I rushed into it and I came here. On the first session, we have been introduced to a problem by the examiner, and the problem was to flatten a cross member beam. In that cross member beam, actually there were a lot of surfaces. There were 48 surfaces on the left, 48 surfaces on the right, 40 some surfaces in between, and we have to select each one of them by the click of the mouse. And then after that, we have to use the surface flatten command to flatten it. Later did I know that to flatten a surface or to flatten a cross member beam is required for taking the blank size. So the examiner gave us 3 days for this task. Actually, I was a beginner, and all of us were the beginners, so it was a challenging task for the new guys, for the new people. So he gave us 3 days. He gave us 3 days to practice, and in the practice session, the pacer helped us a lot. We all practiced, and on the judgment day, what happened is I was sitting on the system where SolidWorks 2014 is installed. And within 30 minutes, I selected all the surfaces. In eagerness, I called the examiner, and I forgot that there is no surface flatten command. So in front of him, I couldn't do the flattening. He got disappointed, and after that, he didn't want to take my interview. I was worried, and I was thinking that I must pack my bags and just go home and wipe my tears all night. But then Manisha ma'am came, and I told her my issue, my problem. She understood my problem, and she wanted to give me a fair chance. She somehow convinced her to take my interview, because he was unwilling to take my interview after that. And then we faced a one-on-one round. After the one-on-one round, I have given the answers of most of the questions. So she said, okay, we'll try, and I got selected. In life, you need to have a vision, a sense of direction. But without the help and support of the people around you, you cannot go much far in life. If you want to be a design engineer, come to CAD Center. And if you're in Rudapur, please visit CAD Center Rudapur. Right now, I have just completed my next CAD course from here, and I'm looking forward to learn more. Thank you.